Y'all see what's going on. Got a kitty, tracky, motherfucking Hellcat. You know what I'm saying? POV. This shit crazy, bro. That's all you need right here. That's really all you need. You don't need nothing too much. That's really all you need right there. That nigga shit so loud. That's all you need right here. A Hellcat, wide body, another Hellcat YB, and a motherfucking Trackhawk. Outside, man. Woo-hoo! Oh my God! We're turning this city up! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! God damn that fuck nigga shit! Woo-hoo! Damn! Damn! This shit is making a whole commotion in the city, y'all. Damn. Oh my God. 3 of the hardest cats in the city right now. 3 of the hardest cats in the city. Oh shit. We outside, man. Miami. Sheesh. Woohoo! Shit, boy. Damn, this shit. Oh shit, boy. That boy shit loud as hell. Yeah, right now we're doing a POV. We about to hit the streets of Miami. What's going on, y'all? How y'all doing today, man? Got a full tank of gas. 3 of the hardest, well, 2 of the hardest Hellcat. I'm a Trackhawk. Hardest Hellcat in Miami. Outside with the guys, man. That boy shit's so goddamn loud. His shit is so loud, it's ridiculous. I don't know, y'all. Y'all think I should put that pop tune on the trackie? I don't know. I'm scared of that shit. I heard that shit is not really good for the engine, so that's why I've been hesitating about it. Sounds good. Yo, I love my city, yo. I love Miami. Let's see what this boy going. That boy shit dumb loud, man. His shit is stupid loud. Shit. Yo. 2 of the hardest Hellcats in Miami, dog. I ain't gonna lie though. This shit's so fucking hard. You know what I'm saying? We in the streets right now. Miami. Yeah, I'm in the wrong lane. I gotta switch over. I'm gonna wait till they go. I'm gonna wait till they go, then I'm gonna go through. Yo, we outside right now in the city, yo. This shit. So we downtown Wynwood right now. Got all the graffiti on the wall. Some of y'all have never been to Miami. This is Wynwood right here. Back to back. Got a full tank of gas. You know what I'm saying? Hanging out. You know what I'm saying? That's what it's all about, yo. Everybody outside. Usually this whole shit right here be packed. Oh, she thick as hell. Damn. That's a thick one. Got a venti. Damn, boy, the road is bumpy as hell out here, yo. You would think this is Miami. It would have good road. Bro, this road is trash. Got holes everywhere in this motherfucker. This shit is trash, bro. This shit is trash. The road is shitty as fuck. Ain't nothing like 2 cats and a Trackhawk back to back, bro. I don't give a fuck. That shit gonna turn heads, bro. That shit gonna turn heads. That shit gonna turn heads. I'm gonna pull up next to these niggas. That boy shit so loud, bro. It's ridiculous how loud that shit is, for sure. Shit so loud, bro. Come on, June, go ahead. Oh my God. God damn. Tearing the streets up. Sheesh. I think we probably going to South Beach right now. That boy shit so loud. God damn. Man, Miami's so pretty. Cutting up. Sheesh. Yeah. Oh my God. What nigga tripping out? Oh shit. shit, that shit loud, man. The boys right here. Damn, we outside, baby. Jeez. Look at this shit. Oh, shit. Shit. God. Oh, my God. Gen shit is so loud, man. I just don't understand it. We about to make that shit make noise. Shit. You got, I don't give a fuck what nobody say, bro. You got 2 Hellcats in the Trackhawk back to back, bro. You spinning heads, bro. That's all you need. Two cats in a hawk back to back. That's all you need, bro. So we on South Beach right now. Where we at? Riding down. What's that? Oh, that's Collins Avenue. Riding down Collins Avenue right now. Yo, this shit, the road everywhere around Miami is just, bruh, you would think this road is smooth, bruh. This shit got holes everywhere. Shit just fucked up, man. Yo, the city got to do something about that shit. That's the most tourist part of the fucking city, and the road is just fucking bouncy as fuck, man. Shit's supposed to be smooth, bro. That boy say a cat. Hell yeah. Look at this bro pull out his camera. Yo, we got the whole, like, there's a whole strip right here in Collins. Nothing but tourists. That bitch screaming. That's all I want to hear, dog. Only one I want to hear. All the way from 2024 to 2025, bruh. I ain't gonna lie, there's a lot of people out here. This shit is whining. We just cruise down Biscayne. You just come out here, drive through, just flexing, man. You know what I mean? Them boys be. You want to rent a Rolls Royce and a Lambo truck? Garbage. I ain't gonna lie, we got here fast though. People is always outside out here, man. I hate driving on those yellow things, man. Boop, 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 boop. I don't like driving over that shit. think like South Beach would be packed right now, but nothing but tourists. Locals don't even come out here. Miami, we're at South Beach, Miami Beach, same shit. I thought the police were gonna come behind us. Yo, Miami, the road out here is so fucked up, man. How you gonna come in front of a car, bro? You wild. How you gonna come in front of a car, bro? Yo, I ain't gonna lie, yo. We just having motherfucking fun out here. We're just having fun, man. Hitting up some hot spots, see what's cracking. Sunday. Beautiful Sunday, Miami. It's not like you and the guys back to back, bro, just riding around. I ain't gonna lie, bro. That's life right here. That boy. That shit, just hearing his car making me want to put the pop tune in my truck, man. I don't know. I really got to think about that one, cause I've been against that shit all my life. Even when I had my Hellcat. And to see that I want to put it on now, I don't know. I might be the only one to put that shit in my truck and that shit blow my engine. Because really and truly, all that shit is doing is just dumping fuel. Causing this shit to like make the pop, you know what I mean? I don't know, a lot of mechanics been telling me that shit is not healthy for the engine, so that's one reason why I have not put it yet. But I see all my boys putting it and they good. You know what I mean? So I don't know, man.